Hi, Georgie G. Dean here, voice of Seraphisa Music and author of The Voice of Love. So today, this video, I wanted to not explain, but show you the difference in vibrations between working with Rahanni Celestial Healing, which is a hands-on or hands through the aura, hands through distance celestial healing modality, and angelic harmony therapy, which is an angelic celestial sound healing modality. So one is through sound and one is through light. But of course, light and sound are so connected, and that connection is love, and the common denominator of that love is the divine. So let's start first of all by explaining the two main beings of love that I shall be connecting with during this video. The first is Kuan Yin, Bodhisattva, goddess of compassion. And to me, she's like the Eastern version of Mother Mary. So I sense more of a pink ray with Kuan Yin and more of an aqua blue ray with Mother Mary. But I'm going to be working with both of them together, and also many archangels and beings of light, but they're the two main sort of faces, if you like, that I will be connecting with today. So first of all, let's take a breath, just ground, and know that this blast of Rahanni healing that I'm going to send out is free from time. It's encapsulated within this video, and if you are listening to it or watching it, you can tune in to the healing vibration. So through my hands and through my heart, I'm now asking for Rahanni celestial healing to be sent to anyone listening now. And just notice what you feel. And I'm going to be doing a longer healing session later. And I shall be doing a live healing session also. Just tune in to the vibration, the frequency, the pink ray of love, the angels of love, Mother Mary, Kuan Yin, all the beings of light that are with us now. Okay. Now I'm going to switch to angelic harmony therapy, which is a very similar vibration, but it will be working through sound. And I feel that Rahanni and angelic harmony therapy can also work at the same time. But for now, I've just said thank you to Rahanni, and I'm just going to connect to source through voice only. thank you for using me as a channel for angelic harmony therapy. Now I'm going to combine the two. I'm going to combine Rahanni through the hands and angelic harmony therapy through the voice. Still working with my team and calling forwards Kuan Yin. And Kuan Yin, the card that I actually drew from the Rahanni deck, was letting go. So Mother Mary and Kuan Yin are going to allow us to let go with the aid of Rahanni and angelic harmony therapy. Just notice how you feel. If you enjoyed those and you'd like to know more, you can go to my website and there's a blog about Rahanni celestial healing, and I've also written posts about sound therapy too, angelic harmony therapy. I'm actually going to be teaching both of these modalities from my home in Suffolk, and also I can teach online. So if you'd like to know more, please do get in contact. And between now and when I see you next, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of good vibes, and until we meet again. And please do like my pages and this video and share if you don't mind. And remember to subscribe if you're on YouTube. Bye.